Hello everyone, it is time to show off my Ipsy bag. Since it is the middle of February, I'm actually not even sure, is this my February bag or is it my March bag? I don't know, this is my life right now. I love this bag, it's beautiful, it's like a pink and a black. Let's see if I can find some clues. Unzipped. February, it is my February one. And it is about hashtag Ipsy Unzipped. Being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age, and it's definitely not about airbrushing images beyond recognition. The way we see it, sexiness is authenticity. It's real. It's confidence. It's celebrating the magic of your unique beauty. It's forgetting what you think you're supposed to be and embracing everything you are. This month, let's unzip the way we think about being sexy. Let's define it in our own terms. No rules, no Photoshop, no restrictions, just 100% sexiness. The Ipsy way, aka your way. Head to the Ipsy app to blip, 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 blip. Yeah, that wasn't photoshopped at all in this image. All right, whatever. Anyway, I don't know what that has to do with a makeup bag, Ipsy. Yay! I love the brush that I got last time. Really excited to try out this brush. Oh, is it a double-sided brush? Hold up. It is. Look at that. 2 for 1. All right, what else we got here? Marsk. Foiled again. Looks like an eyeshadow. Silvery color. That's pretty. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Is this an eyeliner? It looks to be an eyeliner of some sort. But it could always be something. Yep, mini eye pencil. Wonderful. Always use those. What we got? Hey Honey Come Undone Face and Eye Daily Makeup Remover. Interesting. Have to try that out. I mostly use Mary Kay makeup remover just because I'm a creature of habit and it works. And Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Detoxify and Brighten. Ah, clay mask. Yes, I love clay masks. All right, so that was my Ipsy bag for the month. Not a lot of things, but definitely things that I can't wait to use. See y'all next month.